Hello, sweet friends. It is Friday, and I wanted to get this up for you because I can't believe that's the first time in almost 2 years that I've been doing this that I forgot. Yeah, so let's get on with the draw for these, what I think are really, really cute index cards. So there's this one, the first one, and this one opens up. This was the original that I saw Sandy do, and here is the pocket. So I took all the names from last week. So let's get going. Good luck. I think there's 6 of them. So, yeah, fun, really fun. Okay, Sherry Vanderpool. I have not pulled your name in a while, so that will go to you. And then this is the same pattern right here. So how about, this is going to be very short, but much needed. We don't want to open up. Okay, Tammy Winkler, that will go to you. Hope the weather where you are in Wisconsin is doing great. This one opens up and has the belly band and has the mini back here. And you know, I should have, I think, I just did not see that mini. So let's go ahead and put something in there. And this one will go to, these names will not go back in next week, okay? Karen Bellinger, there you go, sweetheart. Hope the weather in Canada is good. And then we have this one here. This has double pockets. Pocket on this end and a pocket on the back. So cute. And this one's got the Southern Peach Cobbler recipe, which I absolutely thought this paper was adorable. How about Phyllis Maroney? Phyllis, I believe, is in Jersey. Okay, then we have this one. This has the belly band and the pocket on the back. So I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend. Lori Gordon, this one is yours. So I hope you enjoy that. And then the last one that we have has the pocket at the top, a pocket on the side, and pocket in the back. Okay, guys. So how about, and Kathy, this one is yours, sweetheart. Okay, so these names will not go back in next week, and we will draw from this plus any new people that we get. And we've got these two cuties. Ozjan, I owe you a index card, and was there somebody else? I can't remember. So everyone, have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Thank you so much, and appreciate your patience, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.